Gas or electric? When you think about it, gas is quite antiquated. It's difficult to get hold of, it can leak, you have to get somewhere to actually get a bottle filled or a replacement bottle. There's different types of gas, different regulators, different laws, different in different countries, and it's quite antiquated. But electric, as long as you've got a decent power system, good solar and good charging from your campervan, that's got to be the way forward on it. This video is all about gas and electric cooking, and this video is sponsored by Karinear, and they've supplied this double hob, this ceramic double hob, and they've also given us one of these to give away as well as part of this video. So stay tuned and we'll offer one of these as a giveaway to a subscriber. When I had my campervan refit by Eddie and Joe at All Things Timber, they did a fantastic job and they did exactly what I wanted. But if I was doing it again, I wouldn't have this fitted. Not even as a backup now. I think I'd rather have a backup power system and electric cooking rather than having gas in. Because as well as having this on here, and it's fixed in, you also have to have somewhere to keep your gas bottle in there. And with a gas bottle, you don't know if you're going to run out of gas, how much gas is in, unless you start weighing your bottle or carry a spare bottle with you. I have considered having the cooker taken out, but it is linked to the sink and it'd be a lot of messing about to take it all out, so I'm probably going to leave it in for now. But I might take it back to Eddie and ask me to put a new work surface in, just a sink and a worktop. And I don't know if I'd have this or something like this actually fitted in to the worktop, or I'd just have it portable. This unit here can be fitted in. It's got a lip on here and it comes with all the bits and pieces in the box to enable you to fit it flush, but it also comes with these legs, and I've put the legs on because I'd use it independently, because I like cooking outside the campervan as well, particularly if you're cooking something smelly. So the functions are real simple. You have an on and off, switch it on functions, and you can actually lock these as well. So you can press these down and lock both the buttons so it doesn't come on by accident, and then you press and hold those for 3 seconds to unlock it. You can set it on a timer and you can up and down the actual power. And on here now, I don't know if you can see that, probably can't see that in the camera, it's probably flicking, but that's at 1800 watts and there's plenty of heat come out of that. It's on full, and you can turn that all the way down to 200 watts. And as you set these different temperatures, you can set these different functions on here for roast, stir fry, fast heat, melt, simmer, steam and boil. So you can do the temperatures independently or you can do it on the actual functions, and it's exactly the same on this side. Now this is a ceramic hob, so with it being a ceramic hob, when you switch it off it's still hot, so you've got to let it cool down. And on here you can't see it again because it's too dark, it's too light out here for it, it's a hot surface and there's fans running underneath to cool it down. Those feet come with it and you just screw those on the bottom if you're going to use it freestanding as I'm using it, but it also comes with a fitting kit to have it fitted directly into your worktop, be in your campervan or wherever you tend to use it. I've got that running both on fast heat, so both of those are on there, and it's currently using 2200 watts off and on, and it will use that, this power unit here, with the amount of power it's got in there, run it for 25 minutes. Now it's not going to take 25 minutes to cook your meal, and that's only on 56%, but there's certainly enough heat coming out of that. I can feel it from here. And turn those off, the fans will stay on, the power's switched off, it's just the fans that are running there. This is glass, so you can scratch it, so you've got to be careful. It's a great value product and it looks nice as well. Easy to clean with it being glass. They're cooling down nicely now. This comes with a 13 amp plug on, so there's no wiring to be done. We've talked a lot in the past about these things: power packs, solar generators, lithium batteries and power systems in camper vans, but we haven't talked much about electric cooking. In my van we don't use that gas cooker at all. I've sort of got it in there as a bit of a backup, but I've got that much power in this van, I'm not going to need the backup, and I can replenish that power as I'm driving along through the alternator, through the solar, and I've got 6 kilowatt hours of battery in a battery unit, and I've also got a very big EcoTree lithium phosphate battery as well that runs at 12 volts in the van. So I've got more power than I'll ever need, and I can charge one through the other. And that enables me to use everything electric, and it's so easy. It's just like being at home. Electric kettle, toaster, everything's just so much easier. And if you saw my one about my last video, one of my last videos where I was looking at the old powers, we even have an electric pizza oven we take away with us as well. And everything's so much easier not having gas. Having gas, there's all those complexities we talked about of, is it fitted properly, is it leaking, are you going to run out of gas, do you have to carry a spare bottle, are you going to be weighing your bottles, are you going to get enough pressure if it's too cold, the amount of condensation you get from cooking on gas as well, the condensation that's given off as part of using gas is high in a camper van. So all those problems are sort of taken away to some extent by using electric. By using things like this. This is an EcoFlow Delta 2 Max, massive power pack, capable of running most products, and ideal for a weekend, and even longer if your vehicle or you have some method of charging this up while you're away. Or if you're on hookup, if you've got a hookup, you can charge this and run your systems off this, even if it's low power on the hookup. So the flexibility of having electric equipment now is just brilliant, and this hob, this ceramic hob, is just another example of that. And as I say, I've got one of these to give away, but I think these are about 100 quid. There'll be some information in the description, and there'll also be a discount code no doubt for this. So that kind of money brings the cost down. I don't know how much it is to fill a gas bottle now, but if you're actually changing a gas bottle or renting a gas bottle, you know, that can be 50 quid. And then you've the purchase of the gas equipment and the installation of that. Having this installed, it's on a 13 amp plug, so it's really easy to use, and you can use it outside. It's not actually fixed into your camper van. So there's so many different ways you can actually use this kit. They do a number of different types of these as well. This is obviously a 2-burner one, but they do a single one, and I think they do it up to 6 burners, but all the information will be in the website. And the link of the website will be in the description of the video, and I'm pretty sure there'll be a discount code or some offers on, so do check in the description. Usually when I get these products, I get the products sent, they're doing the promotion, they haven't got the full marketing material ready, and then I do the video and they send me the information later, so I can't always tell you the price, but I think they're around £100. There might be a lot less than that, but there will usually be a discount code, but there's somewhere around that price for a double hob like this. So this is our electric Aga, and it gets switched off in the summer because it's just too hot. So having something like this is ideal, being portable. We can just use it in the house, and of course these products can actually be fitted into your kitchen if you want to zoom in your kitchen as well. And I always like things that you can use for multiple things, so in the camper van, outside the camper van, in the garden if you're having a barbecue or something, or even in the house as a backup. So if you have this, and you have a power cut, and you have a mobile power unit, you'll be able to plug this into that and still be able to cook your food. So multifunctional use. So there we have it, it's as simple as that. Couldn't get much easier. Do check the description as I say, and we are going to give one of these away, and to win one, it's the usual situation on our channel. You need to be a subscriber, and we will check, and we have checked and caught people out. So make sure you're subscribed. In the comments of this video, just leave the words "I want one," and please leave those words, because we scan through and it automatically picks a random person out using those words in the comments. So that's how we do it to make it random and fair. We'll deliver this to anywhere in the UK, because this is a UK one, has a UK plug on it, so it's just open for subscribers in the UK. So in the comments leave the words "I want one," and we'll randomly pick one, and in the next video we'll announce the winner of this, and we'll contact each other through email. My email's onemanandhiswhippet@gmail.com. We'll make sure it's you, we'll verify it's you who's won it, and we'll get it in the post to you, and we'll cover any costs. We don't charge any costs, so if anybody contacts you and say you've won something and you have to send them some money, it's all a scam. If anybody contacts you from any other medium apart from the comments in my video from me or through my email address, it's a scam. So we've done it this way now for some time, and it's working really well. So you'll be able to see in the next video that comes out who's won it, and it verifies the winner, so it actually shows your comment in the slide in the video, and that's how you know it's definitely not a scam, because there's lots of those about there. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. Something completely different again, still lots more videos to come, and thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.